Hey everyone, Filmora has introduced Filmora 14 with some awesome AI features. And recently, Filmora has updated a few features. In this video, we will discuss about dynamic captions. Keep watching. Before we begin, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of my upcoming video. In a recent update, Filmora has updated its dynamic captions with some cool text effects and animation. Previously, we had a limited templates for captions, but now Filmora added more captions templates. Now let's see how to use these dynamic captions in your video in easy steps. Step 1. Place your footage onto the timeline and make sure it has a voiceover. Step 2. Select your footage, right-click and select speech to text option from the menu, or you can use titles tab to add AI captions. Step 3. Select your audio language from the drop-down list. Next, if you want to add a caption in a different language, select the translated language from the drop-down menu. Then make sure to select the Add Automatic Active Word option. Then keep it on titles if SRT is selected. Select titles and click on Generate. Step 4. AI will add dynamic caption to your footage, matching your audio.
5 or 10,000 or 15,000 a month. But I mean, there's like 19-year-olds are rushing to make $1 million a year.
Then select the dynamic caption. In caption templates, you will get lots of caption templates. Scroll down to see the templates. Step 5. Then select the template of your choice and click on Apply to All to change the style of all the captions.
Rush to make 5 or 10,000 or 15,000 a month. But I mean, there's like 19-year-olds are rushing to make.
Finally, use the basic option to change the color of word and create a caption in your own style. This update adds numerous template options suitable for all kind of video. If you found it helpful, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Download Filmora 14 from the link in the description. See you in the next video with another tutorial.